Another day, another English lesson. Positive and negative infinitive clauses with reported commands. When we report a command, we use infinitive clauses. An infinitive clause includes an infinitive verb, like to do, or to study, along with other details. Positive infinitive clauses. We use positive infinitive clauses to report when someone tells us to do something. Examples: he told me to sit down in the chair. She asked us to be quiet for a minute. Negative infinitive clauses. We use negative infinitive clauses to report when someone tells us not to do something. Examples: he warned me not to touch the hot stove. She told us not to talk during the test. Key points. Positive infinitive clauses report commands to do something. Negative infinitive clauses report commands not to do something. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the positive or negative infinitive of the verb in parentheses. One. The teacher told the student to open her book. 2. The father told his children not to touch the hot stove. 3. The boss asked us not to forget important meetings. 4. Her parents asked her to clean her room. 5. The teacher told the students not to talk during the class. 6. Their father told them to wash their hands. 7. The nurse told them to wait for the doctor. 8. He warned the students not to run in the hallway. 9. The man told his neighbor not to make so much noise. 10. He asked us to be quiet during the movie. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos in the future. See you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.